Hey guys, what's happening? To fix Instagram unable to join chat error, try the following. First, check your internet connection. Switch it to a cellular data if you have a weak Wi-Fi and ensure it's stable. Next, log out from the app. Click your profile icon at the bottom right, three balls at the top right. Then scroll a little bit down, you're gonna find the log out, the red highlighted button, and then re-log in again. And you can also clear the app's cache, right? Go back to your screen and open up the settings, general, iPhone storage, try to pin down Instagram, and of course, we're gonna upload the app and double click to upload the app, okay? Next, what you're gonna do, update Instagram, okay, to the latest version, or even uninstall and reinstall it again, right? So if the error persists, wait 24 to 48 hours, as it might be a temporary restriction due to excessive activity. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.